Now, the next topic is high flow oxygen device, or you can say fixed performance oxygen device, oxygen therapy device. Why it is fixed? I will explain you. The example of high flow oxygen therapy or fixed performance oxygen therapy is, which is generally asked in your exam, that is Venturi mask. Why the name is Venturi mask? Because it is based on the principle or the Venturi principle. Venturi and plus Bernoulli's principle. And what is the Venturi principle? Venturi and Bernoulli principles is that kinetic energy plus static energy. The mixture of kinetic energy and static energy is always constant. Getting my point? If you increase kinetic energy, the static energy will decrease. And if you increase static energy, the kinetic energy will decrease. And what are the formula of kinetic energy? That is a half mv square. And what is the static energy which we will take here? That is in a form of pressure. Because we will take in a lateral pressure. We will take a height. And height here, it is generally denoted by pressure. It is generally denoted by pressure. Okay. So how can we increase the kinetic energy? If this V is what? Velocity. If velocity increases, means kinetic energy increases. Means when kinetic energy increases, means static energy decreases. Static energy decreases means pressure decreases. Pressure decreases means pressure gets negative. So when the simple thing is that when you increase the velocity, of any gas, it creates a negative pressure. Around it. Okay. So this is what Venturi principle. Okay. So just see here. For example, it is a phase gas flow. Okay. You just create, a constriction. And there is a one free space. And now mass is attached to here. And this is your patient. What will happen? Just see. Actually, when you create constriction in the pathway of phase gas flow, velocity increases here. When velocity increases, it will create a negative pressure. When it creates a negative pressure, there may be a negative pressure. And when there is a negative pressure, it struck the atmospheric air. It is 100% oxygen. No? It is 100% oxygen. It creates a negative pressure. After creating a negative pressure, the air from the atmosphere come inside this. And there is a dilution of this 100% air because of the entrance of the atmospheric air. So patient get diluted oxygen. So this oxygen is less than 100% oxygen. Why? Because of the dilution of this. And why it's occur? Because of the Venturi principle. Because you just create a constriction. After creating a constriction, velocity increases, and when velocity increases, pressure gets negative. When pressure gets negative, this phase gas flow diluted with the atmospheric air. Getting my point? So this is the principle of what? Venturi mask. Actually this constriction is fixed. When this constriction is fixed, the air will enter from atmosphere to this mass that will be fixed. Okay, so in fixed flow, fixed constriction, fixed dilution will occur. Getting my point? Fixed flow, fixed constriction, fixed dilution will occur, and patient that gets oxygen, that FiO2 will also be fixed. That's why this mass is called as fixed performance. Okay, so in particular fixed flow, particular fixed constriction, you will get particular fixed FiO2. Getting my point? So, and how we can say that this constriction is fixed? By color coding. By color coding. Okay, if it is a green, means there has a particular diameter of constriction. If it is, for example, yellow color Venturi mass, so diameter of constriction, diameter of that constriction is according to that, like this. You can see. See this. If the color of Venturi mass is blue, so in 2 liter per minute, it will give only 24% FiO2. If the color is green, in 15 liter per minute, it will give 60% what? FiO2, 60% FiO2. Okay, and this different color is creates according to different diameter of constrictions. Getting my points? So this how beautiful this mass is designed. Okay, so this is beauty of what anesthesia, beauty of physics in anesthesia. And I have told you, if you want to create, if you want to get command in anesthesia, your 3 things should be strong. First is the physio, second one is the pharmaco, and third one is the physics. Okay, so this is the beauty of what Venturi mass. Okay, so you have to remember this color coding, because it may ask, and if it is asked in your exam, and if mark a right answer, then your rank will increase by 1000, 2000 rank above. That's why I am telling you, just revise it 5 to 10 times first, and mark it in your copy, and just read it just prior to going any exam. This is the only solution you can solve this thing. Okay, so this is all about what? Venturi mass. So what are the question may ask in Venturi mass? That was the first, this table, first thing. Second one is the Venturi mass is a fixed performance. It is a high flow. It is based on the principle of Venturi and Bernoulli's. Okay, so this question may ask. So this is all about Venturi mass. Other fixed performance devices, they are not so important, but you should know the name only. First is the second one is the high flow nasal cannula. Even name, it is written high flow, so it is high flow fixed performance. And third one is the oxygen blenders, which is not generally asked. Okay, so Venturi mass is very important.